Welcome back to our admin tutorial series. In this segment, we'll be exploring the Office Management section. This is where you can manage key details about your office, including the type of practice your office handles. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how to use these features. First, we have the Office Details section. Clicking on this allows you to edit and update your office information. It's crucial to ensure all details are entered accurately, as this information will appear on your invoices. Take the time to review everything carefully to avoid any errors. In addition to general office information, there are two other important settings. The first is the time zone configuration. This setting ensures that all accounts are synchronized to the same time, regardless of where users are located. Having a consistent time zone eliminates confusion and keeps everyone on the same page. The second setting, Exchange Status, allows you to activate or deactivate the exchange based on your current needs. Once you've reviewed and confirmed all your information, don't forget to click Save. Next, let's return to the main Manage Office page and take a look at the second section, Practice Types. This is where you can add the different types of practices your office handles. For each practice you select, our AI streamlines the setup process by automatically creating the appropriate review dates, appearance dates, invoice service types, and any other required data. This feature is designed to make onboarding as seamless and efficient as possible so you can focus on what truly matters, getting your work done. By taking the time to configure these settings, you'll set a solid foundation for your office's operations. With everything in place, you're ready to move forward confidently and efficiently.